Why QA/QC inspectors need AutoCAD? As a QA/QC inspector, accurate dimensions are critical. Using AutoCAD's line command, we can quickly verify lengths, layouts, and drawing accuracy. This helps ensure every fabrication and installation meets project specifications before inspection begins. Every inspection starts with a drawing. AutoCAD helps inspectors understand dimensions, welding details, material specifications, and project requirements with confidence. From verifying fit-up and alignment to checking fabrication and installation accuracy, AutoCAD allows QA/QC professionals to identify issues before they become costly defects. It improves communication with engineers, contractors, and clients while ensuring compliance with project standards. AutoCAD isn't just software, it's a powerful tool that helps QA/QC inspectors work smarter, faster, and more professionally. For a QA/QC inspector, AutoCAD is more than a drawing tool. It's a daily necessity. From understanding dimensions and verifying layouts to ensuring compliance with project requirements, AutoCAD helps inspectors work accurately, efficiently, and professionally every day.